Alright, so let's move into problem number 20 now. Okay, so let's read out the problem. Problem says factorial n, meaning n into n minus 1 and then 3, 2, 1. Okay, that means the factorial 10 is this. Okay, now sum of the digit of factorial 10 is this 20. So basically find the sum of the digits of number 100 factorial. So we have to figure out what is the factorial 100 and then we'll have to sum the digit for all of this factorial. So that's our problem. Yeah, this problem doesn't look complex, looks simple. So all we have to do, we have to create a factorial function. Okay, so I'll just create a factorial function. I'll just take a num, and we know factorial of 1 is equal to 1. If num is equal to 1, then we just return 1. Else it will be return. So I'll just make use of recursive function, return number multiplied by factorial number minus 1, because factorial of 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4. That means factorial of 4. It's like that. Okay. So that's why this recursive function will take care of everything. So let's quickly test this out. So what is factorial of 10? Is this 3, 2, 6, 8, 8. Then we have to find out the sum of the digit. Okay. And what is the sum of the digit? Sum of the digit, let's say that is equal to 0. What I want to do is for sum is in str, I'll just convert it into string. Okay, so let's say I give it like this, factorial num. Okay, and if I just give fact num, then what I like to do is I like to increment our sum. Sum is equal to, again we have to convert it back to integer so that we can do the sum. So in this case our sum is 27. So this is 27. So for factorial 10 our sum is 27. And okay, I'll just keep everything in a same cell because we can figure out. Okay, now what is the question asking? It's asking for the sum of factorial 100, not 10. I'll just pass 100 here. Okay, so let's look at sum. So sum is 648. If you want to look at what is the factorial number for factorial of 100, this is the factorial of 100, and the sum of all digits is 648. So let's try this out. Okay, let's see if this is correct. 648. Yes, our answer is correct. I think, yeah, that's it for the current lesson. Thanks for watching. Coming up next is problem number 21. Thanks again.